Hi, today we will see how to read the error sets in HyperView if there is any error occurred in the during the syntax check of the INP file. So firstly I will do the syntax check and I got one error. Uh, we'll see what is the error. So just type the error. Once 80 elements have missing property definition, elements have been identified as this set. So Abaqus has created one set in the ODB, and this is the set. So how to read this in HyperView? That is the next question. So if you simply go with the regular process of loading the INP here and ODB here, you will not get the sets. You just need to do it like this process. Go to reader options, let it open. Yeah, once it is open, go to Abacus ODB result reader. Go to then go to import sets from ODB. This is actually set as none. Make it all. Press OK. Now just read the ODB and both I have read in input and output as ODB only and click on apply. As you have loaded this, once it got loaded, you can see this the sets. Now in the set there is one portion got error missing section. These are the elements which Abacus is unable to read the properties. So if you click here, these are the elements. So these are the elements without properties. You can read the INP in the hypermesh and assign the properties and run it. And this can be further uh, uh, like this same procedure can be further be used for reading the other sets like warning sets or material missing sets or something other like that. Thank you.